Alright, picture this. You're about to go on an adventure. Maybe it's hiking a new trail, heading to the beach, or just hanging out with friends. And you want a camera that can capture everything without slowing you down. You want something small, tough, and easy to use, but you also don't want to spend a fortune. That's where today's comparison comes in. We've got the brand new Insta360 GO Ultra, Insta360's latest tiny powerhouse, going up against the GoPro HERO, GoPro's budget-friendly action cam. Both are designed to be ultra portable, both shoot in 4K, and both are trying to be your go-to camera when pulling out your phone just isn't enough. But here's the question: which one actually deserves the spot in your pocket or your travel bag? Well, let's find out. Let's start with how these cameras look and feel. The GoPro HERO takes the tried and true GoPro design we all know and makes it more compact and lightweight. At around 86 grams, it's super easy to carry and still rugged enough to handle bumps, scrapes, and drops. It's waterproof down to 5 meters without needing an extra case, which is great for swimming pools, light snorkeling, or just not worrying when it rains. It keeps GoPro's signature rear touchscreen, making it easy to frame shots, switch modes, and check what you're recording on the fly. The Insta360 GO Ultra, though, has taken a slightly different approach. Instead of a boxy GoPro-style body, Insta360 went with a rounded, square design that feels modern and minimal. It's lighter at 53 grams, making it way less noticeable if you're wearing it clipped to your shirt, hat, or a magnetic pendant. And speaking of magnets, that's one of the coolest things about the Ultra. It's got a strong magnetic back, so you can stick it to metallic surfaces or use it with magnetic mounts. For creators who like unique POV shots, say mounting the camera to your chest or hat, the GO Ultra is a dream. Plus, it's waterproof up to 10 meters, giving it a bit more underwater confidence than the HERO. So, in short, the GoPro HERO is rugged and straightforward, while the Insta360 GO Ultra is flexible, wearable, and a bit more creative in how you can mount it. Now let's talk about the part that really matters: the footage. The GoPro HERO is built around simplicity. It records in 4K at 30 frames per second, which is perfect for most everyday adventures. It also gives you 2.7K at 60 frames per second, which means you can capture smoother motion or slow things down just a little for action shots. And of course, you've got 1080p at 30 frames per second for basic recording. For photos, you're looking at 12 megapixel stills, or you can pull 8 megapixel frames straight from your 4K footage using the GoPro Quick app. It's nothing groundbreaking, but for the price, it's a really solid setup. The Insta360 GO Ultra, though, takes things up several notches. First, it's rocking a 1x1.28-inch sensor, which is more than twice as large as what's inside the GoPro HERO. That bigger sensor means more light, better low-light performance, richer colors, and sharper details. On top of that, the Ultra shoots 4K at 60 frames per second, double the frame rate of the HERO, so your action shots look buttery smooth. But Insta360 doesn't stop there. It adds AI-powered features like Pure Video, which cleans up noise in dark scenes, and Active HDR, which balances out highlights and shadows in tricky lighting conditions. Imagine filming a sunset hike where the sky is super bright, but the ground is in shadow. The GO Ultra handles that way better than the HERO. If image quality is your #1 priority, there's no doubt the Ultra takes the crown. Of course, smooth footage matters just as much as resolution. Nobody wants shaky, wobbly video. The GoPro HERO uses hyper-smooth stabilization, but here's the catch: it's not processed inside the camera. Instead, you shoot your footage and then the stabilization happens through the GoPro Quick app afterward, which might be fine for casual use, but it adds an extra step. The Insta360 GO Ultra handles stabilization differently. Thanks to its 5nm AI chip, it stabilizes your footage as you record. So whether you're running, biking, or holding it in your hand, the Ultra keeps things smooth in real time. This is huge if you want ready-to-share clips without extra editing. So while both give you stable footage, the Ultra is simply faster and more convenient. Next up, endurance, because let's be honest, no one wants to run out of juice halfway through an adventure. The GoPro HERO comes with a removable Enduro battery, around 1255 milliamps, which gives you about an hour of recording in 4K. Not bad for a small camera, and since it's removable, you can always carry a spare. The Insta360 GO Ultra gives you about 70 minutes of recording on its own, which is slightly better. But here's where it gets really impressive. Pair it with the Action Pod, and you can stretch that out to about 200 minutes, over 3 hours. That's game-changing if you're vlogging, traveling, or just don't want to worry about recharging all the time. Storage is another big difference. The GoPro HERO uses standard SD cards, but it's limited in size and aimed at casual users. The Insta360 GO Ultra, however, finally adds expandable microSD support up to 2 terabytes. That means you can shoot way more without worrying about filling up your internal storage. Here's where these cameras appeal to different types of users. The GoPro HERO is incredibly beginner-friendly. You've got one-button operation, voice commands in multiple languages, and a rear touchscreen. It's built so you can literally hand it to anyone and they'll figure it out. If you're new to action cams, this is a great way to start. The Insta360 GO Ultra, while just as easy to use, has a slightly different personality. It's made to be worn or clipped, more of a set-it-and-forget-it style. The Action Pod doubles as a controller and a screen, giving you more flexibility without making the camera itself bulky. It's perfect if you want unique POV angles or if you don't want to constantly fiddle with settings. And now, the part everyone's waiting for: how much these things cost. The GoPro HERO is priced at $199. That makes it one of the cheapest ways to get true 4K video in a rugged little package. It's not trying to compete with the big flagships like the Hero 13 Black. Instead, it's all about value. If you're on a budget but still want something durable and reliable, it's an easy choice. The Insta360 GO Ultra, meanwhile, is priced at $449 for the standard bundle and about $500 if you go for the creator bundle with extra accessories. That's more than double the price of the Hero. But for that extra cash, you're getting a bigger sensor, smoother 4K at 60 FPS, AI-enhanced shooting, longer battery life, and expandable storage. It's clearly aimed at creators and vloggers who want the best quality in the smallest form factor possible. So here's the bottom line. The GoPro HERO is the ultimate budget-friendly action camera. It's tough, simple, and gives you 4K video for less than $200. If you're new to action cams or if you just want something affordable for your next trip, it's a fantastic choice. The Insta360 GO Ultra, though, is in another league. It's built for creators who want professional-looking footage without carrying a bulky setup. With its larger sensor, AI-powered video, smooth stabilization, and insane battery life when paired with the Action Pod, it's easily the most powerful pocket-sized camera out right now. So, which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and want something easy, grab the GoPro HERO. But if you're serious about quality and don't mind spending extra, the Insta360 GO Ultra is hands down the better investment.